If you want to make your edits feel more energetic, more dramatic, and way more cinematic, then learning how to add a camera shake effect in CapCut is a great skill to have. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Whether you want a subtle handheld look or a stronger shake for action-packed moments, this is perfect for transitions, impact moments, beat drops, gaming clips, reels, and any video where you want a little extra motion and intensity. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open CapCut and import the footage you want to edit. You can do this by dragging and dropping your target video clip directly onto the timeline track. Once your clip is on the timeline, make sure it's in the right position and that you can clearly see the section where you want the shake effect to happen. This part is important because the camera shake should usually be placed only where you want emphasis, not across the entire video unless that's your creative goal. Now that your clip is ready, look over to the upper left utility panel and click on the Effects tab. This is where CapCut keeps a wide range of visual effects that you can add to your projects. After you open Effects, you'll want to isolate the Video Effects section. To do that, open the Video Effects drop-down menu under this panel. This helps narrow down the effects choices so you can find the exact style you're looking for without wasting time scrolling through unrelated options. Next, use the built-in search bar and type in Shake. This will bring up the Shake style presets much faster. If you don't want to search, you can also navigate directly through the category side tabs like Nightclub or Motion, depending on the version of CapCut you're using. These categories often contain effects that work really well for movement, energy, and scene impact. Once you see the available shake presets, choose the one that fits your video. If you want a subtle, handheld feel that looks more natural, select Camera Shake. This is great for making footage feel slightly more dynamic without being too distracting. If you want something more intense, especially for action scenes, beat hits, or fast transitions, then choose the standard shake effect. That version gives you a stronger visual punch and makes the movement feel much more noticeable. After selecting the preset you want, drag the effect and drop it as an overlay track directly above the specific clip section you want to animate. This is a key step because the effect needs to sit on top of your video segment in the timeline so CapCut knows exactly where to apply it. If you place it in the wrong area, the shake may appear at the wrong moment or not line up with your edit properly. Once the effect is on the timeline, it's time to trim the duration. Click and drag the left or right edges of the effect box layer until it matches the exact section of your clip where you want the shake to appear. You can make it short for a quick hit or extend it a little longer for a more noticeable motion effect. The goal is to line it up with the beat, transition, reaction, or impact moment in your video. If you're editing to music, this works especially well when the shake lands right on the beat drop or sound effect. You can also duplicate or adjust the shake placement on other parts of the timeline if you want repeated motion throughout the video. The nice thing about CapCut is that once you understand how overlays and effects work, you can combine camera shake with cuts, zooms, and sounder design to make your edit feel much more professional. After you've trimmed everything to fit, preview the clip and check how the shake looks in motion. If it feels too strong, try switching to a softer preset. If it feels too weak, use a more intense shake and place it on a more important moment. Small changes can make a big difference in how polished the final video looks, and that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to add a camera shake effect in CapCut. Choose the right preset, place it correctly on the timeline, and trim it to match your video perfectly. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.